Wait! Before you get started, I've got an upgrade for you that will help you start getting traffic and making money with internet marketing faster and get even better results. First off, I want to personally thank you for picking up the guide to getting started with internet marketing. You're going to learn a lot, start getting traffic quickly, and make money with what you discover inside the guide you just purchased. But what if I told you there was a way that you could start getting traffic and results even faster? And not only could you see results faster with what I'm about to share with you, but you could find yourself getting even better results. Although the guide you just purchased is extremely easy to follow and is created in a step-by-step format, the fact is, there are a lot of people out there that just learn a lot faster from watching something being done in front of them as opposed to reading about it. How about you? How do you learn things best? Do you like to read and go through a guide, or do you get better results when you watch something being done in front of your eyes? If you're like the majority of people out there, watching a video of something seems to be preferred over reading a guide. That's because most people are visual learners. In fact, many people that buy text-based courses or guides often fail to get through all of the training. And if you happen to be one of the lucky ones that does complete a guide or course, many more struggle to retain all the material in a text-based training. Sadly, most people that read a text-based guide just don't have the patience and motivation to complete it and implement what's inside. But what if you could get comprehensive training that shows you exactly what you need to do to see success with internet marketing? Something that would take you by the hand and give you that next level of training that you need to get results. And not just any results, faster and better results. The good news is you're going to have the opportunity to do just that today. Introducing the video version of the guide to getting started with internet marketing. The bottom line is this: I want you to start getting traffic and making money as quickly as possible. And the little details with internet marketing can often be the difference between getting hordes of traffic that turns into money in your pocket, or struggling to get just a dribble of traffic. Or even worse. If you do things wrong with your internet marketing, you might never get any traffic or make any money from your online marketing efforts. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every single detail that you're being taught inside the guide to getting started with internet marketing, to make absolutely sure you don't miss any of the key details that can get you traffic and put money in your pocket. Things like getting started and set up with internet marketing the most efficient and effective way, choosing the best traffic sources to use, and turning that traffic into profits. If you miss just one important step with getting started with internet marketing, you could find yourself wasting a lot of your time and possibly never getting the traffic and results that you're after. Sadly, many people that try internet marketing as a way to get traffic and make money never get the results that they hope for because they try to wing it. Don't do the same. When you follow what's inside the step-by-step video training in this video upgrade, getting results is easy. Upgrading to the video version of the guide you just purchased is the solution that guarantees you learn how to do everything the right way. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you get to upgrade with special customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having a private tutor sit down next to you and show you exactly how to effectively use internet marketing to get traffic and make money, it would be easy to put a price of several $100s on this upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to learn while you're on the go and get results that much faster. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high quality videos that show you how to do everything from getting started with internet marketing to scaling up and having traffic flowing daily, it's impossible to fail. Not to mention, you get to test drive the upgrade for the next 30 days with absolutely zero risk. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But whatever you do, please don't wait. This offer is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.